Right, so we're going to try the electric spinner that I bought. I got it off my mate Steve, who's a proprietor of Friars Farm, Chowchery and Northampton cheeses and stuff. I got it from him, from someone he knows that was giving up beekeeping. It's a big one, electric, 20 framer, LYSON. I like it, it's decent stainless steel. It's got a couple of dents from when I picked it up and had it on the way back. But I like the honey gate's really low to the bottom of the drum, which is really good. You get all the thing. It's got auto mode and manual mode. I've had a little play with it, and auto just runs for 3 minutes and it will run up to 100% and then just stop. So I think I'm going to run it on manual, where you can up the speed gradually, bit by bit. So we've got some lovely honey frames from the bees. Some of that looks crystallised though, but we'll spin out what we can. What do we got? We got 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'll be able to spin all them at once, in one go, once I've uncapped them. So it'll be a lot efficienter. Obviously I uncap there, these are all the cappings go in there, and the bees will clean the cappings up. So yeah, when I start to spin it, I'll video it. So I've got all my frames in, they're all Langstroth. I've got 2 different sizes for Langstroth super frames. I want to get rid of these ones because they're small and just run all these same size. Not sure how I ended up with 2 different sizes. But anyway, they're all in there. I've kind of like balanced the weight, I hope, because it starts to really hurt the jerky. But yeah, we're going to go manual, power on 25%. Just get it going. Got a bucket there with a sieve. Well, I've let some through accidentally without the sieve being there. So we'll see what we get off of 18 Langstroths. Crank it up a bit more. You start to see it flicking down the sides. Just a bit more. Yeah, I can hear it now, you can see it flicking it out. So I'll go a little bit more. What am I on? 35%, we'll do 40. I think like about 50%. So you don't destroy your frames. Do another 5%. Just let it run. Got bees outside on clean up duty. Cleaning up. So we're on 50%. Just let it run. Yeah, look, it's chucking it out now. So apparently you always have to have your honey gate open with your catch bucket, so that it don't get too high up in the spinner and cause problems. So I'll just leave that to run like that for like 5 minutes. So it's starting to wobble a bit. Any faster and that'll wobble. Chucking out the honey. Smell, if you have smell-o-vision, right, the smell in here is phenomenal. Got more cappings, be a fair bit of honey in that as well, which will run through the sieve at the end. It's a lovely liney coloured honey with I'll have to close that off a little bit now. It's got safety. Shuts it off. Shut it off for a minute. Just let this only go through the sieve. Yeah, anyway, I'll come back when I'm done. Show you what the frame looks like till it's come out. So that's it, all done. Pretty quick. Still some crystallised stuff in there. Wood. What? We're doing. All done, easy. Easy. So we just got to get it out.